Hi, Regina here. I want to encourage you to be more intentional. That is so important. When you start to decide that you want to investigate if your goals is possible for you to reach, you find out about the map before you enter the woods. Is a really important expression. So good to write down things either in a book or on your computer, but it's really good to kind of brainstorm ideas, to have this book to write ideas, and then you can put it into to sort it out into different categories, and you will see things. What shoes do you need to fill in to take you where you want to go? It's really important, right? Who do you need to become to get where you want to go? If you're shy, perhaps you need to learn to more speak up for yourself. Then that will be an area where you need to invest time to get the experience, to practice. You can practice at home. You can practice on your family and your friends. So you really have the tactics, the strategies. Who do I need to become to get where I want to go? Because there is always a professional side. I can take the comparison with me as a businesswoman. There are some expectations from me, from others. Who am I to do this assignment? I work much with short-term assignments at different companies here in Stockholm within finance. There are some expectations how I should do the job, right? And also to fit in the culture. What do I contribute with when I get to these different companies? And it's the same thing. If you have a goal, you have an assignment that you need to fulfill, because you need to do certain things along the way to reach your goals. Some checkpoints along the way on your plan. Perhaps you need to learn new skills. If you want to be a very skilled photographer, you need to learn a bit about the equipment. You need to have some basic about lighting. So it's different skills, and you need to also socialize, build a network. What you need to do some investigation, invest time and effort, perhaps some sleepless nights as well, to really reach what you want to accomplish in form of skills that you need to develop. I have coaching sessions, one-on-one in real life, online. I also have some pre-recorded options for the basics. But to customize your plan, if you really want a few sessions to go through, what do I really need to get good at? And then you really need to get to know yourself. What are your skills? What am I good at? What would I like to become good at? If you're interested, you can learn almost anything. And that is also to being determined, right? And intentional. To be intentional, you get to know what you need. What will it take from you to accomplish what you want to accomplish, you want to reach? What is required of you? But it's also, what will it bring? What will it give you? So I'm quite certain of that the dreams that we have is what we are supposed to be. It would be really cruel if we would have a lot of dreams and it would just be there to tease us and make us disappointed that it's not possible for us to reach it. So write down, just brainstorm with a lot of goals, but be careful there, cautious. Is it someone else's goals that perhaps you're just influenced by what mainstream media is highlighting as the picture perfect, right? What do you really want? What do you admire? What do you appreciate of what you really have? So you can write down things that you admire or are appreciative about. That is a really good thing. I think it's a good idea to, with being more intentional, is that you also set aside time for things that is according to your plan. That is so important, because your plan will help you to have some checkpoints along the way. It will also help you to stay more focused. It will help you to really invest your time into what really matters to you. Right? It's so important. But don't forget that you need your close ones. You need friends. It's so important. Many who succeed with their goals, they have kind of lost themselves along the way. Therefore, it's so important to write down what is my core values, what is important to me, what does it really matter to me, so we don't get so blindfolded and just rush and forget to live a happy life. So write down your core values, what is important to you. Remember that. Because that plan will help you, so you can use that so you don't get lost in the woods, so to speak. It will remind you what is really important, right? So being more intentional is really, you will see, okay, this is what I will invest my time in. If there's some things that is not according to your plan, it does not align with where you are going, you have to say no. Because your time is very precious, right? And time flies. So you have to be more intentional, time-wise as well. I really want to encourage you to check out my website for some more. I also have blog posts there that you can get some more inspiration. I hope you subscribe to my channel and like and comment, please. And have a very nice day. Take care.